Is it time to buy or sell Fitell stock? In this video, we will explore Fitell in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Friday, the 26th of September, 2025. Now we are here to provide you with an even more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay informed about our latest analyses. You wouldn't want to miss any important updates that could influence your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Harness the strength of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please remember that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be regarded as financial advice. Since September 24, 2025, our system has ranked Fitell as a buy candidate, giving it a score of 2.64. Let's take a look at the stock's performance during this period. Unfortunately, the stock hasn't performed as expected, with a loss of 11.88% so far. This translates to an average loss of 3.96% per day since it was listed as a buy candidate. The stock is positioned within a broad and robust upward trend in the short term, indicating that further increases within this trend are anticipated. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential change of approximately 29.3% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging from negative 86.67% to positive 88.70%. In terms of a longer view, our analysis for the next 12 months indicates a projected change of negative 62.56%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could fluctuate between negative 100% and positive 6.88% over the upcoming year. In current terms, this would place the future price between $0 and $6.26. Our latest daily update for Fitell includes the headline, "A very red day for Fitell Corporation stock price after a decline of 6.24% in the Friday trading session." The Fitell Corporation stock price fell by 6.24% on the last day, which was Friday, the 26th of September, 2025, dropping from $6.25 to $5.86. It has now experienced declines for 3 consecutive days. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated by 6.96%, with a low of $5.75 and a high of $6.15. The price has decreased on 7 of the last 10 days, but remains up by 894.91% over the past 2 weeks. Interestingly, the trading volume also decreased on the last day, which is generally a positive sign as volume should align with the stock's movement. On that day, the trading volume fell by 17,000 shares, with a total of 93,000 shares exchanged for approximately $543,590. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price reached was $49.50, while the lowest was 36 cents. Currently, the price is 88.16%, or $43.64, below the 52-week high of $49.50, which is also the all-time high for the stock. Fitell Corporation is making 2 significant moves that could reshape investor sentiment. The company completed a 1-for-16 share consolidation effective September 23rd, which reduces the share count and mechanically increases the per-share price. This step addresses last spring's NASDAQ minimum bid concern and can reduce the risk of delisting while often creating a short-term price increase and tighter float liquidity. At the same time, Fitell launched a Solana treasury strategy backed by a facility of up to $100 million and has executed the first $10 million purchase of 46,144 SOL, appointing advisors to pursue on-chain, decentralized finance yield and structured product returns. In the short term, expect heightened volatility due to consolidation-driven price adjustments, trading volume shifts, and market reactions to newfound crypto exposure. Financing activity earlier this year, including a registered direct offering and outstanding warrants, remains a moderating factor, as potential exercises can create dilution that may limit upside potential. Over the long term, successful yield generation from Solana could add non-retail revenue and boost cash flow. However, it also introduces crypto price volatility and execution and regulatory risks that could widen the company's valuation range. Analysts have assigned Fitell stock a general strong sell rating. They They evaluate the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell. Regarding return on investment, the analysts also rate the stock as strong sell. The following signals have been identified for Fitell. A Fitell Corporation stock demonstrates buy signals from both short-term and long-term moving averages, indicating a positive outlook. Additionally, there is a general buy signal based on the relationship between these averages, with the short-term average positioned above the long-term average. In the event of downward corrections, support is anticipated at $4.09 and $1.20. A decline below either of these levels would trigger sell signals. Moreover, a buy signal has emerged from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, also known as MACD. However, some negative signals have been noted, which could influence short-term developments. A sell signal was generated from a pivot top point on Tuesday, September 23, 2025, and thus far, the stock has experienced a decrease of 30.73%. Further declines are suggested until a new bottom pivot is established. It is worth mentioning that volume decreased alongside the price during the last trading day, which is technically a positive sign. One should also be cautious, as this stock may exhibit low liquidity at times, increasing the overall risk. Here are some additional signals that you may find intriguing. Moving average convergence divergence indicates a buy signal. Pivots have shown a sell signal 4 days ago. Bollinger revealed a buy signal 17 days ago. The short-term moving average indicated a buy signal 5 days ago. The long-term moving average also indicated a buy signal 5 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages suggested a buy signal 10 days ago. If we examine the 12-month chart, we observe the short moving average indicated a buy signal 6 days ago. The long-term moving average showed a buy signal 5 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages revealed a buy signal 5 days ago. For more signals, please visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for Fitell. Currently, there is no support from accumulated volume below today's level. If conditions are unfavorable, the stock may experience significant declines in the coming days. This stock is known for its high volatility throughout the day, and with periods of low trading volume, it is classified as very high risk. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated 400 cents between its high and low, representing a movement of 6.96%. In the past week, the stock has recorded an average daily volatility of 34.48%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for Fitell, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the PE ratio. This important metric measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company is experiencing negative earnings or is incurring losses. Even well-established companies can go through downturns, often due to factors beyond their control. However, persistent negative PE ratios may suggest insufficient profit and could indicate possible bankruptcy risks. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Fitell. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Fitell is at $6.25. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. There is no significant support from accumulated volume below, which means the stock could potentially experience a sharp decline under certain conditions. Proceed with caution and consider placing bets only if you are an experienced trader who knows how to navigate such situations. A recommended stop loss is set at $5.54, which reflects a decline of 5.5%. This stock experiences very high daily fluctuations, resulting in significant risk. Additionally, we have identified a sell signal from a pivot top that was established 3 days ago. Is Fitell stock a good buy? Several short-term indicators, along with a generally positive trend, suggest that the current level may present a buying opportunity. There is a fair chance for Fitell Corporation stock to perform well in the near term. After analyzing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Monday, the 29th of September, we anticipate Fitell to open higher by 6 cents, starting at $5.92. We remind you that trading involves a significant risk of losing money. It is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding the purchase or sale of securities. You should not base your investment choices solely on the information provided by StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? We invite you to share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for this stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day from all of us here at Stock Invest.